Ever wondered if cats and dogs can live together peacefully? We often believe these furry companions are natural foes, a cat and dog fight waiting to happen. But that's not always the case. With the right approach, a dash of patience, and a healthy dose of understanding, these two species can share the same roof, turning your home into a harmonious haven for both. It's not always a walk in the park, but it's certainly possible. Let's discover how to make this possible. Before bringing a new pet into the house, there are some crucial steps to take. First and foremost, it's essential to introduce your current pet and your new pet to each other's scents. This can be as simple as placing a favorite toy from each in the other's space. However, remember to keep their spaces separate initially. Each pet should have its own area where it feels entirely safe and secure. This separation is crucial in the early stages as it allows them to gradually get accustomed to each other's presence. It's also vital to remain patient and calm throughout this process. Your pets will pick up on your emotions, and any anxiety or impatience can potentially make them feel stressed or threatened. This process may take time, but it's all part of ensuring a smooth transition. Once these preparations are in place, it's time to introduce your pets. The first meeting between your pets is a pivotal moment. It is best to place the cat in her carrier on neutral ground outside the house and place her on an elevated platform. Put your dog on a leash and a muzzle if necessary. Hand feed the dog and cat in turns, cat in a carrier. Give the animals time to get used to each other at a safe distance, the cat in a carrier. Pet the dog and cat, behave calmly yourself and calm the animals. Let the animals get to know each other slowly and at their own pace. Do not push the cat under the dog's nose or lead the dog on a leash to the cat's bed. Physical acquaintance. It is better to do it together. It is more convenient and safer. Give the dog the opportunity to sniff the cat. It is better if you start from the back, so that the cat does not show aggression and scratch the dog, thereby provoking aggression and a fight. Secure the dog on a leash, not on a tape measure. Let your cat move freely around the room. Limit the space to one room. If the dog is focused on the cat and tries to make a sudden movement towards the cat, the second person should stop this with a sharp, unpleasant sound. This may take a long time, but we don't want any of your animals to get hurt. When the dog has relaxed, lay down, stretched out, and tummy tucks in, you can let him off the leash. Remember, a peaceful introduction sets the stage for a harmonious relationship. So, don't rush it. Take the time to ensure that their first interactions are positive. With love, patience, and careful management, your cat and dog can learn to live together peacefully. Once your pets have met, the work isn't over. Maintaining a peaceful relationship requires ongoing effort. You see, living harmoniously isn't just about first introductions. It's about molding a daily life that nurtures positivity and tranquility. It's crucial to keep an eye on your pet's interactions. Monitor their body language and demeanor. Are they relaxed around each other, or is there tension? Remember, it's normal for there to be some rough and tumble play, but if it escalates into aggression, it's time to intervene. Always ensure each pet has their own safe space. A dog's den and a cat's perch should remain their respective sanctuaries, places they can retreat to when they need some alone time. And remember, it's not just about physical space. Respect their emotional space too. Reinforcing positive behavior is key. Praise your pets when they interact well. A simple good boy or good girl, a gentle petting or a treat can go a long way in encouraging good behavior. And if conflict arises, don't panic. Stay calm, separate your pets, and give them time to cool down. Remember to be patient. Building a peaceful relationship is a process, not an overnight event. It can take weeks, even months, but the end result, a harmonious household, is worth every effort. With patience, love, and consistency, a cat and a dog can live together in harmony. It is best to adopt both a puppy and a kitten at the age of 4 months. Both are separated from their mothers, both are just beginning to explore the world, and due to their age, they are curious and friendly. They will quickly become companions in games and pranks. And in a very short time, a true friendship will be born for life. If you have an adult cat, try to choose a puppy no older than 12 weeks. Pay attention to the cat so that it does not perceive the newcomer as a competitor for your love. When the puppy sniffs the cat in a friendly manner, pet it. At first, it is better for the pets to be in different rooms, but they can hear each other and smell each other. Be especially careful when bringing a kitten into the home with an adult dog. The dog, due to his instincts, is often wary of cats. Before the first meeting, you should feed and walk the dog. This way you will reduce aggression and remove reasons for concern. If you're not sure how your older pet will react, Put a collar and leash on him so you can restrain him if he lunges at the kitten. If you are not at all sure about your pet, add a muzzle. The most difficult option is an adult cat and dog. It will take a lot of time for the animals to get used to each other's presence. This may take several months. Separate the habitats of the dog and cat. Each of them should always have their own place where they will feel completely safe. Ideally, these will be different rooms. If there are no different rooms, use vertical zoning. The dog's place is on the floor, the cat's place is on the desk, cabinet, closet. Never let any animal feel that you love them less. When a cat comes to your lap, call the dog, pet them with both hands, and speak kind words. Always stop any aggression immediately. No local fights. If suddenly the animals start a fight, cold water will help you. A ladle of cold water quickly cools the hottest heads and disperses the fighters to different corners. When you leave home, at first lock your pets in different rooms to prevent clashes. Until the cat and dog get used to each other, a sprinkler with water should always be at hand. The most important, never force or confine animals in the same room. This will only provoke aggression and fear, and this will not help in establishing friendly relations. Making friends between a cat and a dog is not so difficult. You just need to be patient and surround them with care and love. And then peace will reign in the house. And this is what you need.